Hello friends, in this step-by-step tutorial we will teach you how to create your digital wallet in the Sqfcoin platform, how to upload your PDF documents and get yourself whitelisted and eligible to buy digital coins and stake Sqfcoins into eligible properties in the platform, and how to customize your digital wallet with your photo and personal information. Starting on your landing page, you click on the Get Started button. And this will bring you to the sign-in page. At the bottom of the sign-in page, if you have not already registered with the platform, you will need to click on Register. This will bring you to the Create New Account page. Fill out the first line with your email. I recommend you filling out the second line also with the same email. Create a password. Repeat the same password to confirm it. Answer the questions related to the legalities of the page. If you live in the United States or you are a legal resident of the United States, please click Yes. If you are an accredited investor, you also click Yes. In case you're not sure, please click No and consult your personal accountant. After the certifications, please click Sign Up. This will bring you to a series of questions. You certify, you click on the certifications. Certify that you are at least 18 years old. You certify that all the information provided to Sqfcoin platform is accurate and true, to the best of your knowledge, and you agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy set forth by the Sqfcoin. After that, please click Sign Up. And please check your email for a confirmation email that should be in your inbox. Once you go to your inbox on your email account, in case you don't find it on your regular inbox, please check your junk folder. It may be on the junk folder. Please search your email for Sqfcoin. And if the email is in your inbox or any box on your email, it will appear. Click on the email. Verify your email. Once you are in your wallet, please go to Account Confirmation and proceed to upload your PDF documents, your ID, select the country of origin. In this case, it's the United States of America. Proceed to choose the file. Once you have selected the file, click Open. Select Update. And the document will show under verification pending a review by Sqfcoin. Proceed to do the same thing with the verification of address. After a complete verification by Sqfcoin, if your documents were accepted, your account will show with your email verified, your ID uploaded, and your proof of address also uploaded. At this point, you are whitelisted and ready to use your Sqfcoin wallet. You can proceed to your wallet and you verify your wallet address and use your wallet address to transfer Bitcoin or Ethereum from any other digital wallet that you may have your coins, such as Coinbase, MetaMask. And once the coins are in your wallet, you can use either Bitcoin or Ethereum to convert them to Sqfcoins and use them as you wish. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.